Keza from Kesbar Brewery. Another brew rig update. I got wheels. Now, got these ones off eBay. Cost me $40 delivered. Now, I will name the person, the mob that I bought them from, and I want everybody that's in Australia that's thinking of buying casters or anything like that to buy them from them, because I am extremely happy with them. I paid for them, it was about 6 o'clock last night or 5 o'clock last night. Now it's EHI Australia and they're in Western Australia, and I paid for them 5 o'clock, yeah, I think it was about 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. They were delivered to me at 7 o'clock this morning. So there's a plug for those guys. Now, they're two solid straight ones, which will go on one end. I've got two steerers, swivels with brake. So, two of them. For $40, including delivery, you can't complain. Rated to 100 kilos a piece. So there's a plug for those guys. I'm extremely happy with that. Now I ordered some PT 100 probes for my PIDs. They're coming from Canada, I believe. Well, most likely China, but where I got them from was Canada. Got them really cheap too. They're the waterproof terminal head probes, negative 150 to plus 450 degrees. So they should be here shortly, and I've got to give my little brother a kick up the arse to get him to start on my control panel, because I'm hopeless with 240 volt wiring. I'm not going to touch it, and he's a Sparky, so we'll go and have a look at these and we'll put them on, eh? Got the wheels tacked up. Let's turn these around and have a look. There we go. Tacked into place. And believe it or not, for a first try, it rolls straight. So we'll weld them up solid, and that'll about do it for today. I've had enough. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm not going to film the welding because I don't want to ruin the camera. But anyway, I'll come back in about 10 minutes. Moment of truth, they're all welded up. All welded. She wheels straight. Pity the driveway's not straight. Really happy with that. Like I said, each wheel's rated to 100 kilos. So the actual chassis, you could call it, itself probably weighs 50. So all up I can have 400 kilos. So we'll have another look. There she blows. Might even drag it out of the rain. Probably should have grabbed the other end where the steering wheels are. Beautiful. Sorry about all the shaking around and turning and spinning and everything, but it's a bit hard when you haven't got a camera crew behind you. But yeah, bloody happy with that. I'm just going to sit here and look at it. Next up, Kegels, mash tun, HLT. So, waiting for those probes. I'm actually going to make my own thermo wells. I've got the lathe now, so I just got to buy myself a BSP tap, 1/2 inch, and a BSP die, because on such a small lathe you can't cut tapered threads. You probably can, but I'm not that skilled in it yet. But most probably over the weekend I'll start blowing some holes in the kegs and start welding in some 1/2 inch sockets. And on Monday I've got a tube bender that's suitable for my stainless tube, so it's coming from a mate of mine. He's a fire sprinkler fitter. But yeah, we'll see how she goes. Oh, by the way, happy to be back.